is going to be trying to escape a flood and be able to drive on this hill right here. They have to go up this road. The first car we're going to be doing is this van. It's an off-road van or something like that. Oh, forgot to do something. I gotta turn on the flood first. So we're gonna start with a little bit of an easy one.
How fast?
I crashed a little bit, so oh gosh, it's right here. And we're dead. The next car we're gonna be doing it in is this green bullite right here. So here we go. And I'm gonna enable the flood now. Here we go. And I did. Now we're gonna be trying to do it in this car. So here we go. Go, go, go. Don't get flooded. Oh gosh, we gotta go this way right here. Oh gosh. I almost broke the car. And also please like and subscribe if you didn't already. You don't have to like, just maybe subscribe. Why? Okay, we escaped, so I'll be right back. So now we're gonna be trying to escape. I'm gonna be trying to escape in this rusted junker car, I guess. go. And we're dead. We flooded. That didn't work that well. Okay, I'll be right back. So now we're gonna try to escape in this van right here. I'll start the flood here in a second. Okay, it's enabled. Let's go. It's slipping a lot. I don't know if we're gonna make it or not. And we escaped. Okay, this is gonna be the end of this video. So please like and subscribe for more. Bye.